Matrix
So I
Illusion
just
versus
came
Ultimate
back from a
Reality.
deep rest or a deep meditation and a deep retreat kung saan marami akong hinukay, malalim na malalim. And I went deep to the rabbit hole, and this is the only time na nakabalik ako. And I've been creating content since 2021. Ilang beses na rin ako naban online, social media, sa TikTok at saka sa Facebook. And ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng deep awakening, or I think I found the deep reality of this world. And I want to share this also to you. Gusto kong makita ninyo kung ano yung mga nakita ko doon sa deep exploration ko na yon. I went into deep trance and meditation kung saan na-dissolve yung polarity. Ibig sabihin, wala na akong polarity when it comes to way of thinking. So, that everything is just illusion. Okay? And this is not just my idea. Although this happens to me, this is a direct experience from me. This is a direct spiritual experience. But this experience is also documented in all spiritual and even in religious scriptures. Even in the Buddhist, Hinduism, Gnosticism, Taoism. So this is a thing. This is a common thing sa mga spiritual discipline na kung saan there is polarity, which is the dualistic way of thinking, kung saan merong good, evil, yin, yang, hot, cold, day, night, up, down, men, women. So there is polarity, okay? Polarized reality. Ibig sabihin nahati sa dalawa. And the ultimate reality na tinutukoy ko, or yung tinatawag natin na divine oneness, is hindi siya polarized. Ibig sabihin, kung merong polarity na good and bad, good and evil, light and dark, sa polarity consciousness, walang ganon. Alright? It's just pure consciousness. It's just pure light. Alright? Most of the information na nakakalap natin sa internet or sa entire world is always polarized most of the time. It's very rare to see people who are in the state of unity consciousness or oneness. Usually, kailangan mo muna mag-gnosis, moksha, or nirvana. Simply, these are just religious or spiritual terminologies that describes enlightenment, kung saan makikita mo na you are not separated from the entire universe. You're not separated from the other people. You're not separated from the source, from God, from all that is, from monad, from Brahman. You are one with all that is. Iisa lang kayo. Gaya ng sinabi ni Jesus Christ, God and I are one. Ibig sabihin, ang Diyos at ako ay isa. Sinabi din yan sa iba't ibang spiritual discipline tulad ng Gnosticism, and they express is sa terminology na divine spark and the monad. Divine spark is ikaw, yung soul mo, ikaw mismo, hindi ikaw yung katawan. You are not a body with a soul, but you are the soul with a body. Yun ang katotohanan. Ikaw ay spirito na nagkatawang lupa or tinatawag na divine spark, at ang divine spark mo ay fragment ng nag-iisang Diyos na monad, similar to the Holy Spirit and then the God of Christianity, and similar to the Ruh and Allah of the Sufism or the Islamic belief system. This is also similar to the Hindu belief na you are the Atman or the individual soul, and you will re-emerge or you will merge pabalik sa Brahman, which is all that is. So this all of the information na actually this is the ultimate realization that I have, and you have to also be in this deep state of consciousness nang sa ganon maramdaman mo yung deep peace, bliss. It's like heaven on earth. Ibig sabihin, yung state of heaven, mararamdaman mo siya sa puso mo. And this is what moksha is. This is what nirvana is. And this is what gnosis is. Because it will reunite you again with the all that is, with the creator, with the source. At lahat ng illusion, o yung tinatawag Buddhism na Maya, sa Hinduism na Samsara, o yung tinatawag sa modern age na Matrix, madidissolve na. Ibig sabihin, makikita mo na yung illusion at hindi mo na siya itatrato na totoo. This is just an experience. This is just virtual reality, a game na papasukin mo. Once you realize that, you will no longer have interest to playing it. Okay? At least sa case ko. And if you want to know more content about this idea, this concept of this universal consciousness, this oneness of all, para makawala ka sa Matrix, kasi ito ang totoong way para makawala ka sa Matrix. This is the same message na sinabi ni Yeshua, ni Christ, sinabi ni Buddha, sinabi ni Krishna, sinabi ni Lao Tzu, sinabi ni Rumi. So these are the wisdom or message na itinuturo ng mga ascended masters para makawala ka ng tuluyan sa Matrix. Ang red pill is just one way o one step para makawala ka sa mainstream Matrix. When we talk about mainstream, ayan yan, mainstream government, mainstream religion, mainstream banking, mainstream celebrity, Hollywood or entertainment, mainstream. So these are the mainstream medical industry. So nagsasabuatan yung mga yan, network yan, Matrix, to limit human consciousness at ilayo tayo sa totoong divine spark natin at sa totoong connection natin and oneness natin with the divine source, kung saan tayo nanggaling. So this information, I don't know kung makukuha mo to sa mainstream, but if you go dig deep within yourself, malalaman mo ng information na ito is the ultimate message, the ultimate reality na magpapalaya sa'yo sa illusion and will give you inner peace. Kasi ang peace, hindi yan galing sa labas. Hindi yan galing sa ibang tao. Hindi yan galing sa outside event. Galing yan from within. It's from God. It's from the God within. And God can only be accessed within, not without. If you want to know more content about this, comment below, sabihin mo more, and then you can ask any question, and then pag-usapan natin, sasagutin ko kayo. Again, maraming salamat doon sa mga sumuporta sa akin dati. This is not my first TikTok account. Matagal na po akong nagti-TikTok, pero nagpahinga lang ako kasi ilang beses na rin ako naban sa social media because I've been talking truth for quite a while. At nangyari na yung karamihan sa aking mga sinabi. Pero binan pa rin nila ako. Pero it doesn't matter. What's important is na ilabas ko yung information na yon. Again, thank you very much for your support, and hopefully magkita pa tayo sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Sayonara.